Yep.
So, it's something that you want to tell the people?
This is a man of integrity. Does an excellent job, always timely, works hard, doesn't just do it. I was talking about you yesterday.
Oh, okay.
How excellently you do what you do.
Okay.
If you come and you see that our storage is out of order or our bouncies haven't been done properly, you always take the extra time to do it excellently and make sure it's right.
Thank you.
I went around this morning and I checked.
People go and make it to church. I said a building is needed, cause baby, we are the body. You know I'm right, ain't nobody can tell me why it's not godly. I know that God is real, that he saved my soul. You can tell it by this ink on my arm. I got it for him, you know. That's the way life go. And if he got my steps, then I'll be right there for him. Let me tell you what I spoke the other day.
What he say?
Let me tell you what I heard my God say.
What he say?
Let me tell you all about what he say when I get down. He told me you're never out and you're okay. So I believe it.
Why?
And you should too, so I receive it.
Why?
You know my God came through. Sure, I should struggle with depression. All this pain is never ending. And I question if he said it, but I'm gonna preach it to you. Be blessed.
Too many prophets and people saying who God is. They never read the word, but they quick to give me some context. Trying to give me answers when they ain't passing the test. Traded God away for what we thinking is best. So we covered up the truth cause we don't wanna offend. Let a lie play dress up and now we got.
Yeah, man, I told y'all. It's time to wake up from your spiritual slumber. Stand like a Christian. I said I stand like a Christian, talk like a Christian, walk like a Christian. I am a Christian, man, I am what I am by the grace of God. And I ain't turning my back, I'm chasing God. I said I stand like a Christian, talk like a Christian, walk like a Christian. I am a Christian, man, I am what I am by the grace of God. And I ain't turning my back, I'm chasing God. Man, I'm doing what I gotta do to stand for Christ. With my back to the wall, my hands will fight. Go to war with the demons up in the night. I don't trust in myself, only in the Lord's might. Walking on this road, you get bumps and bruises, but God can't stand no more excuses. Trees without fruit only serves as useless, and half of you out there all are clueless. Sins are foolish, so why would you do this? If I didn't know any better, I'd say you were stupid. Testing God's patience leaves you open for more judgment.
Okay, you all. All right, y'all.
That's right.
So I want y'all to meet Elder Kim. Y'all probably seen me a couple times working at the church, and she usually come by sometime. Matter of fact, she's the one that paid me. Yeah. So this is at City Church, and how long you been going there?
Oh wow, 23, 24 years.
24 years.
Yeah.
Okay, and I think
More like 21.
21.
Mhm.
Okay, so I believe we probably been there about 11 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I won't say that we kind of left, we kind of drifted off, but Elder Kim let us come
Oh
back.
no, y'all always been family.
Yeah.
I'm like, that's a silly question.
Yeah. I know. So it's always. Oh, we supposed to see you tonight, right?
No.
Yeah, my wife said it's supposed
Oh,
to be
y'all
tonight.
going to the marriage thing tonight?
Yeah, she said something about that you so you're not going?
I won't be there. No, we won't be there because he'll be working probably.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, they having
okay.
the marriage meeting tonight.
I think she said something about she heard it from you.
No, probably the Geralds.
Okay.
Probably gave her a flyer party up.
So she's cooking now and said she want to have dinner out of the way. Yeah, so
Go to marriage. The marriage ministry meeting is tonight. The next women's meeting is May 17th.
Okay. I'll make sure I tell her to put that on the calendar.
Yep.
So it's something that you want to tell the people?
This is a man of integrity. Does an excellent job, always timely, works hard, doesn't just do it. I was talking about you yesterday.
Oh, okay.
How excellently you do what you do.
Okay.
If you come and you see that our storage is out of order or our bouncies haven't been done properly, you always take the extra time to do it excellently and make sure it's right.
Thank you.
You're not just a do it person, you're a get it done person. And y'all do live by, I was telling my husband, what you do for others, God will make happen for you. And y'all actually live that, you and your wife both.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right,
Thank you again.
Well, let me ask you this question here. Are you satisfied with the product and what you paid?
I'm very satisfied. We are very satisfied. We've been putting it off for so long, getting a backup refrigerator, and I saw the post that you all were having a sale, and so I said, you know what? Let me reach out, and we just need to go ahead on because I've always known you had the appliance business, Christian appliances. But I said, let me go ahead and reach out and see what they have that's appropriate for a garage because we're good in the house. So you timely replied right back, gave me a good price. We talked about getting it delivered, and everything was just right on time.
Okay. I'm glad to hear that. And make sure you tell your husband I send my love.
I will. All
right, thank you.
He was in the office working, so, he's self-employed like yourself, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm out of here. You have a good one, okay?
You too. Thank you again, Arthur,
All right,
so
thank
much.
you.
I
You're
really
welcome.
appreciate it.
Bye-bye, y'all.
All right, bye-bye.